Biology 101 Fun Places to See Biology in Action by Michael Magar. My project consists of finding areas where you can see biology in action. Places like the trail near Deerfield Village is the one closest to me. You can see it as we drive by. The entrance is right there, and you can see the trail consists of a trail that goes through the forest nearby a road. It goes deeper into the forest, but that's if you actually walk it. This is me driving by it. There are many places you can see biology in action other than that near Central Michigan if you live on campus. You can see that nearby there's nature that you can see, like the trees or the open fields where you and your friends can go out and play. Don't go far though, because Central Michigan is surrounded by farmland. A nice place for you and your friends to hang out is Vowles Elementary School, a place where friends can play ball or hang out, like me and my buddy there. Not too far from the elementary school is the Dalvites Woods. This is the entrance to the woods right here. It's a nice place, and it's a nice walk for you and your friends to go on. You can see up here the sign. This is the sign that the woods near the entrance to the woods. It tells you about the woods, even though it has been defaced. You can still read it. You and your friends can have a nice walk while your friend harasses you, like my friend Darren. Probably.
He's doing a voiceover.
The woods have many mysteries that you and your friends could venture out and find. Like this little hut that was made by students, possibly. I don't know. I found it in the forest. I went inside and ventured. It was a nice place to sit and think about life. And in the forest, there is this river. When I went to this river, I wanted to see stuff like turtles and frogs, but during the spring, there are not turtles and frogs, because I wanted to do stuff like ecology and measure the samples of the populations and see how populated the river was. I looked very hard for the animals, like staring into the water like I am now. I was trying to find ducks or fish, but the river was too fast to see any fish and it was too muddy. I got lucky though, staring into the river, where I could actually see ducks. A pair of two ducks were swimming together, and that's the only two animals I found, so you could see the population was very low. On the path you can see different types of trees, like this down tree right here you can get a close view of. You can also look through the binoculars and look at the things. And you can also walk across the Brandell Bridge, which gives you a nice view of the river. On the walk, you can see many information things, like the Eastern Cottonwood. That is next to the biggest tree that you've ever will see. It is very big and very tall. There's another information panel that tells you the different types of oak that are in the forest. The tree population is contained. You can see here by the X's the tree was marked to be cut down. During the summer, there are usually a lot of turtles in this lake, but since it's spring, you can measure the population and having 0 turtles there right now.
Wow.
But you and your friends can sit and have a nice chat.
Nerd.
If you look in the water closely, though, you can see little organisms running around. It looks a little murky, but you can see them. Look at them little critters running around. It's a nice place for you and your friends to take pictures.
Get popcorn. We all have to do the same pose, Portal. Okay, your head's too far. Look at me. Look at me. Hands on the seat. Hands on the seat. Hands on the seat. Oh, not like that.
Your picture was taken.
Oh, man.
You can actually see the trees that are being grown there are being protected by the mesh wire around them. A lot of trees, big and small, are being contained by this wire, and it helps them grow and protects them from people hurting them. Coming up, you can hear the birds chat to themselves through the forest.
It's not a microphone.
The only real nature I was able to see were 2 black squirrels running around and playing. That was the most I've seen in the population. The forest is not populated by animals, but if you look closely, you can see there are some squirrels and some birds. This is me chasing a bird.